Hi, everybody. Just a quick update about our health protocols after our first week. Ruby and I were talking about our entrances, both for staff and students, and we feel like things seem to be going fairly well with the temperature checks and the supervision in the classrooms. If you know something that is not going well, we are asking, we're pleading, please let us know so we can help support and make adjustments as needed.
Yeah, and also I just wanted to clarify masks during recess. Students do not have to wear their masks during recess. We're going to do our best to make sure they are social distance. Obviously, it's not going to be 6 feet apart, which is okay. We're going to do the best we can. And then I know there was another question about playing tag at recess, which I think is totally okay. It's a brief contact, they run, touch them, and, they leave. They're not like sitting together for, more than a minute or two. It's just brief. So tag should be okay.
That's why you guys are in your cohorts at recess so that they don't have to wear their masks. So get them out there, get them playing, just try to keep them from touching each other unnecessarily.
Yeah. And if you ever have any questions about, all this new health stuff or need some clarification, please let me know. Send me an email. And also, I just wanted to remind you teachers that if you are still wanting me to go into your classroom to talk about hand washing and mask education, just let me know. I've done 2 teachers so far, and I think it maybe took me about 15 or 20 minutes. So if you're still interested in that, let me know.
Another quick update is we have seen some of the classrooms have the plastic dividers on the student desks. And while that is not required for the teachers that have chosen that route, we appreciate that. But just a reminder for everybody that plastic shields are not replacements for the classroom mask rule. So the kids need to wear their face mask all day in the classroom with frequent and creative mask breaks. I think the kids are doing very well with their masks, so give us some feedback on that as well.
I think that's it. Thank you
Okay.
for all you're doing. If you have any questions, please let us know.